Welcome to the video series on Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 101. Now, in this very first video, and I am actually going to turn this into a 4-part series, so I really dive into everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, whether it's what it is, how to go about applying it, the ups and downs of affiliate marketing world. Okay, so stay tuned. This is going to be a hell of a video series to put together. Now, before I go into this training, I do want to touch on one thing. You can actually get free training right now that I've put together with my mentor, my millionaire mentor, that is going to teach you exactly how to make $10,000 plus per month, 100% free. It is a 4-part video series that you can click below. There's a description inside the link, as well as the very first comments of this video that is pinned to the top, so you can check out, okay, that training. So what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is basically where you are able to recommend a product to somebody else and that they go ahead and purchase. In doing so, you get a commission. Now, you can recommend it for free or you can recommend it for paid, but we are going to be talking more about that later on in this video series. So what you choose to do is completely up to you. How you go about getting out the word is also completely up to you. But that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. There is a product that you promote using a very specific link, for example, like a URL, like facebook.com. You would have a very specific link that you would generate from whatever website you're doing affiliate marketing with to actually get people to come and check out what it is that you've got to sell. So now that we've covered what affiliate marketing is and how affiliate marketing works, what are some of the upsides, i.e. the benefits of actually doing affiliate marketing? So in my opinion, there are 4 things in particular that are really good about doing affiliate marketing. Number 1 is that it is free to start. Now, you can actually start by promoting products from ClickBank or JVZoo or even Amazon if you really wanted to, so that you can actually find products, create links, and start promoting them 100% free. It is simple to start affiliate marketing. Now, all you really need to do is to sign up to one of these websites or sign up to an affiliate program of some sort and start promoting the product. You'll get a very specific link for you and the product that you're promoting. You start sending out that link to different people that are interested in it, and if they buy, you get an affiliate commission. Time freedom comes from affiliate marketing, which is a huge benefit that I'm working after, as well as a huge benefit number 4. But with time freedom, you see, once you set up what it is that you do, you could get paid for it forever. Case in point, I created a video 8 years ago in one of my affiliate marketing niches, and I left it be. I never touched it again. But that one video has brought me customers again and again and again. The latest customer that it brought me ended up buying and getting me a total commission of $1,000 US. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a pretty good chunk of change for one video that I've made a very long time ago. And again, that's just the latest customer. It doesn't include all of the customers that I had made combined over the 7 years prior to that, okay? So it is super powerful in terms of time freedom to be able to leverage your time, because every time you put out something, i.e. using web-based content marketing, you can really get paid again and again for generating one piece of content. The 4th and final benefit really is location freedom. And this is something that I work towards every single day. Now, once I've generated my $1 million business where I'm making $1 million in cold cash, pure profits every single year, my goal is to be living overseas, not here in Australia. I love my country, I'm very patriotic, and there are great opportunities here. But I long to travel the world, and I long to set up a system that can generate me 7 figures without me having to be around. Back in the day when I first thought about setting up a traditional business or an online business, this was the deciding factor for me. And it was also one of the deciding factors to wanting to do affiliate marketing, was I figured out that if you built a business locally, you've got to be able to visit that business to check it out, to make sure everything's okay, to check in with the managers and so on and so forth. But building a system online allows you to go anywhere you want, provided there is an internet link, right? So as long as there's a connection, you could literally work from your beach, as you see people doing on laptops. Now, that's not very realistic, and it's certainly not what I'm aiming for. When I go to the beach, I want to chill out, right? But the idea is there, that you could actually build a system. You can spend time with your family. I've got friends and family that live in the Philippines. I've got friends and family that live back in the islands. Got friends and family that live in the States and New Zealand. So I want to be able to visit them and spend time with them, right? And do really cool things all over the world whilst having a 7-figure business being generated for me. So I don't necessarily have to be available every single day to go into a specific office at a specific place somewhere in the world. No, I can jump in on my computer, I can log in, I can check out what it's all about, and that's basically it. Now, not just to talk about the affiliate upside, I'm also going to talk about the affiliate downside so that you can really get a clear picture here of what it's all about. So there are 4 things in particular that I've come up with in terms of affiliate marketing flaws, if you will, that you really need to take into consideration. So the very first thing is sales going to other commissions clicked on. Now, there are some programs out there. Say, for example, you're the one who educates someone. They click on your link, they go and check out the product, and they think, okay, that's pretty cool. But they want to do a little bit more research. So even though your video was the one that really convinced them that they should get this product, they're doing a little bit more research. And if they click on somebody else's link, right, then they're going to get the commissions. Now, these are things that can be avoided, and I'll talk about that shortly. But here's the thing. You want to try and avoid that obviously as much as possible. So you really want to put out there, say, for example, like an ad that's very comprehensive, a blog post, a video, a YouTube video, for example, with a lot of information so that by the time they get through the entire thing, they know for a fact that that's actually what they want. They don't want to click on anything else. That's 100% what their focus is. The second downside of affiliate marketing is very small commissions. Now, majority of programs out there, like things like Amazon, for example, they offer anywhere from 2 to 7% depending on what product and what market and what niche, right? So, and what majority of the stuff that are being sold online, the margins are so small that the margins for error are really, really small. And that's where people end up failing because they don't have enough money to be able to really generate an actual income to really sustain the amount of effort and money that they're putting into this thing. How do you solve that? You solve that with high ticket affiliate sales, okay? But that's for a whole nother video again. Just making you aware of some of the downsides of affiliate marketing. The other thing is that you must understand that failure is necessary. Now, we're taught and conditioned throughout school our entire life, through primary school, high school, university, that we should not fail, that we need to do everything we possibly can to succeed, right? To pass that test. We need to memorize everything and we need to pass that test. But here's the thing, failure isn't absolutely necessary because when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't know what's going to hit and what's going to miss. And you need to be prepared mentally for that. And mindset is something else we'll talk about later on in the future as well, is that you need to be prepared for that failure. And that failure is an absolute must because you might go through 10, 15, 20 products in terms of paid advertising that just don't make any money. They're not worth it. But then you'll hit one and that one will trump all of the losses, 10 times over and make every single step that you've taken an absolute failure. You've now turned it into a positive, from everything you learned, whether it was product research, market research, posting ads, how to maximize the optimization and the returns and conversions of your customers. But it is a big thing. It is really a mindset thing, and we'll talk again more about mindset later on. But for now, it is something that you need to take into consideration. You need to understand that it is a flaw because it goes against our human nature of wanting to get things right in the first place. And the fourth and final thing is that affiliate marketing is very competitive. It doesn't take much online, and I don't know how many people you've been through here on YouTube alone to actually get to this video, to realize who I even am, let alone check out what I have to offer, and whether I'm even going to get an affiliate commission from it or not is a completely different ballgame. Like, we're talking 4 worlds moved, right? Before we actually get to a sale. So it is super competitive. There's no doubt about it. But that's the good thing about it, okay? So there are people all over the world that are blogging, that are creating video contents, that are placing ads all over the world, trying to figure out how to do this affiliate marketing game. But see, that's really a mindset trick as well. You could look at it as like, oh, it's competitive. That sucks. It's too competitive. I can't get into it. No. What it actually means is that there is a lot of money in it to be made. And if you can just carve yourself out like a little niche, then you have now positioned yourself in the market to be something that people can rely upon, right? So I'll give you an example. There's a gentleman online. Now, he came into affiliate marketing and thought, okay, so this niche, this niche, they were all like saturated in his mindset. They were all saturated and there's no way that he could actually get into it. So what he's going to do instead is something that he already enjoys and know a little bit about. He knew about high quality microphones, right? And he tested a whole bunch of them all over from Amazon, all over the world. He bought all over Amazon, and he knew a lot about microphones and the quality in which they bring, what was best at what price point, how to optimize it on your computer, and so on. So what he did is he started creating content videos on YouTube to position himself as the sound expert, okay? When people wanted to know anything about microphones, they were the one that he was going to. And just by carving out that tiny little niche, he was able to generate thousands of dollars online. And once he became an authority in that, then of course people would think to other things, because what do you use microphones for? You use microphones to do video recordings, or you use it to do voice recordings, obviously, you know what I mean? Like, there's so many things that relate to it. So, people might end up buying cameras. Well, if they've taken your opinion and they've seen you as a sound expert, there's a good opportunity as well that they'll listen to you about what you've got to say, because the trust that has already been built, right? And they already like you because they're watching the video. They're already following along with what it is that you're actually going to say. So again, here's the thing. You can look at it as competitive, or you can find a tiny little niche that you can corner yourself in and become the expert of. And then once you become the expert and you're seen as an expert in that particular niche, then you can start branching yourself into other topics, and people automatically assume and think that you're also an expert in those niches as well. That's how you position yourself. That's how you corner your own little piece of the market, and you really start dominating and making some awesome affiliate marketing fees, okay? So look, again, this is video 1 of Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 101. If you've got any other questions, we are going to be, you can go ahead and comment below this video. The next video that's going to be released, and who knows, maybe even by the time you watch this, is that other video will actually already be available, where I'll go into 102 and I'll be talking about something else in that as it relates to affiliate marketing. So understand, in part 2, I'm actually going to be talking about affiliate marketing, the process. We're really going to dive deep down into it, how to understand it and how to go about using it. Check out that video. You're going to be glad you did. And make sure you subscribe so you check out the rest of this series. Now, for everybody out there, I'm going to give you the opportunity to get one of my courses 100% free. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel and go ahead and comment below. And I'm going to put you into our end of monthly draw, where you get the opportunity to get free training. Even if you have a YouTube channel, I can review, or a blog, I can review as well. Even a Facebook fan page or channel or anything like that you would like me to review and give you some tips on how to improve and how to go about doing this thing. There is a draw of prize pool of over $1,200 that you can be a part of, that you can get 100% free. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, comment below, and I'll put you in that draw. Make sure you turn on that notification bell too, because you don't want to miss out when I actually announce who the winner is. It's happened before where people miss the announcements and they haven't gotten the training that they wanted. Okay, so thank you again for checking out this video, and I'll see you in Affiliate Marketing 102, the process, tomorrow.